The big three markets and why you should focus on them. While there is a virtually unlimited number of markets that you can ultimately target on the internet, there are three general markets that generate a majority of all the revenue moving back and forth online: finance, health, and relationships. In this article, we're going to look at some reasons why you should focus on one or more of them. These three markets are huge, but they're also very competitive. If you've ever done any keyword research on things like credit cards or weight loss, you know how hard it can be to get ranked for them. So why would you want to target markets like that? There are a couple of reasons. First, lots of competition is a good thing. It means there's plenty of income potential in the market. If you find a market that has relatively little competition, you might be able to rank your site quite easily, but you'll usually find that there's a limited amount of income possible, sometimes very little. And second, these markets have a ton of back-end opportunity. In other words, there are plenty of products and services that you can offer to your visitors or your customers. Even if you're selling your own products, you'll still be able to promote other things to those buyers later on. This is critical to long-term income. If a market has a limit on how much you can offer your customers, you can only make so much money from them before you hit the ceiling. Of course, the competition does make it harder to get your website and product noticed. The best way to approach these markets is to start with a more highly targeted sub-niche and then work your way up into the more general market. This lets you take advantage of specific topics that will have less competition, but you still have the upside of the larger market to grow into. And once you start to expand in the market, you'll find another big advantage: more potential partners. If you want to run your own affiliate program or partner up with JV or joint venture partners, it'll be a lot easier to do in a market with plenty of other people selling related products or promoting related websites. Don't be afraid of the big markets. If you approach them properly, you can be far more successful this way than by targeting many different long-tail niches.